morning, dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and you are enjoying your online lectures and you are learning very well. Today we will do our 9th class English unit number 2 patriotism exercise. I hope you have understood the whole concept of patriotism, the spirit of patriotism and the qualities of a patriot, and you have known the importance of patriotism in your lives. Let's start our exercise. Here is glossary. Devotion, loyalty. Commendable, admirable. Supreme, top, value, word. Native from one's motherland. Here are some question answers within your exercise. How will you define patriotism? आप हुब्बुल वतनी किस तरह से डिफाइन करेंगे, उसकी तारीफ किस तरह से करेंगे? Patriotism means love for the motherland or devotion to one's country. हुब्बुल वतनी का मतलब है अपने मुल्क से, अपने प्यारे वतन से मोहब्बत करना और अपने मुल्क से अकीदत रखना. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, व्हाट आर द क्वालिटीज ऑफ अ पैट्रियट? एक मुहिब्बे वतन की क्या खुसूसियात होती हैं? अ पैट्रियट लव्स हिज कंट्री. एक मुहिब्बे वतन अपने मुल्क से मोहब्बत करता है एंड इज विलिंग टू सेक्रीफाइस, और कुर्बानी देने के लिए तैयार रहता है. व्हेन द नीड अराइजेज, जब ज़रूरत पड़ती है. ही रेंडर्स सेक्रीफाइस फॉर द प्रिजर्वेशन एंड प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ दीज वैल्यूज. वो इन इक़दार की हिफाजत और तहफ़्फ़ुज़ के लिए कुर्बानी पेश करता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, एज अ सिटीज़न ऑफ पाकिस्तान व्हाट आर योर ड्यूटीज टुवर्ड्स योर कंट्री? अपने मुल्क के लिए आपके क्या फ़राइज़ हैं पाकिस्तान के शहरी होने के नाते? इट्स माई ड्यूटी टू ओबे द लॉज फॉर पीस एंड ऑर्डर. ये मेरा फ़र्ज़ है कि मैं पुरसकून माहौल रखने के लिए तमाम कवानीन पर अमल करूँ. टू सेफगार्ड इट्स इंटरेस्ट, इसके मफादात की हिफाजत करूँ. एंड टू प्रमोट इट्स वैल्यूज़, और इसके इक़दार को बढ़ाऊँ. आई शुड बी अ प्रोडक्टिव सिटीज़न फॉर माई कंट्री. मुझे अपने मुल्क के लिए एक कारआमद शहरी होना चाहिए. नंबर 4, व्हाट मेक्स अस स्टे अलर्ट इन द वेक ऑफ इन्वेजन? बैरूनी हमले के वक्त कौन सी चीज़ हमें चौकन्ना रखती है? द स्पिरिट ऑफ पैट्रियटिज्म मेक्स अस स्टे अलर्ट इन द वेक ऑफ इन्वेजन. हुब्बुल वतनी का जज्बा हमें बैरूनी हमले की सूरत में चौकन्ना रखता है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, हाउ विल यू एलेबोरेट कायदे आज़म मोहम्मद अली जिन्नाह's कोड? आप कायदे आज़म का ये कोड किस तरह से डिफाइन करेंगे, उसकी वजाहत करेंगे. वी मस्ट डेवलप अ सेंस ऑफ पैट्रियटिज्म which galvanizes us all into one united and strong nation. It means that we should develop a sense of patriotism. इसका मतलब है कि हमें अपने अंदर हुब्बुल वतनी का एक एहसास पैदा करना चाहिए. We should love and safeguard our country. हमें अपने मुल्क से मोहब्बत करनी चाहिए और उसकी हिफाजत करनी चाहिए. And its interest from enemies, और इसके मफाद की भी हिफाजत करनी चाहिए दुश्मनों से. Only patriotism can bind us all into a united and strong nation. सिर्फ हुब्बुल वतनी का जज्बा ही हमें एक मजबूत और मुत्तहिद कौम में बांध सकता है. It can remove provincial and racial differences. ये सूबाई और नस्ली तासुबात को ख़त्म कर सकता है. So here is vocabulary. Guess the meaning of the following words. Confirm your meaning from the dictionary. Words, guessed meaning and dictionary meaning. Conservation, safety, preservation. Instance, example, fidelity, loyalty, devotion, shield, protection, reward, prize. Now make as many words as you can from these root words. Here are 2 root words. Number 1, work. Number 2, play. Here are some words from work. Workplace, worker. Workstation, works. Workshop. And play, playground, playful, player, playland, playgroup, playing. Now here are some words and their sentences. Sacrifice. A patriot sacrifices his life for his country. Commendable. Patriotism is a commendable quality. Prosperity. May you have prosperity throughout your life. Invasion. The enemy launched an invasion. Motherland. Pakistan is our dear motherland. Responsible. Every citizen should be responsible. Nationalism. The war was caused by nationalism and greed. Now it's grammar time. You know, grammar is very much important, and today's topic is really important, and that is modal verbs. Verb is a backbone of English grammar. A modal verb helps the main verb to express the mood of the subject. At the same time, it can indicate possibility, commitment, and willingness. मॉडल वर्ब मेन वर्ब की मदद करता है. आप मॉडल वर्ब को हेल्पिंग वर्ब भी कह सकते हैं. मॉडल verbs are some can, may, shall, like such kind of verbs. They also can be used as helping verbs. So there are some examples who are showing possibility, commitment and willingness. Can I help you? May I borrow your shirt? Shall I order a car? Now use appropriate models too. Number 1. Describe your 3 abilities and capabilities. I can solve math sums easily. Ask teachers permission for going out. May I go out to drink water, please? Ask a friend to lend you a book. Can you lend me your book, please? Express necessity to get up early. We must get up early in the morning because it keeps us healthy. Express duty, obligation to follow traffic rules. We should follow traffic rules. Number 6. Share some past habit. I used to take tea in the morning. Now, here are kinds of a sentence. These kinds are very much important. There are some kinds of a sentence. Number 1. Here are some names of the same sentence. Number 1, declarative. Number 2, assertive. Number 3, positive. And number 3, simple. These are the same. Simple sentences. There is a simple statement in this sentence. A full stop is put at the end of the sentence. For example, you are a good boy. He is a brave man. सिंपल सेंटेंसेस हमेशा सादा बयानिया जुमले होते हैं जिसमें कोई बात लिख दी जाती है जिसका पहला लेटर कैपिटल होता है और एंड पर एक फुल स्टॉप लगा दिया जाता है. नाउ नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. These sentences show negation in the sentence. A full stop is put at the end. Negation नहीं, मनफी का तासुर दिया जाता है नहीं वाले जुमलों के साथ. आप फुल स्टॉप लगाते हैं, शुरू में कैपिटल लेटर होता है और इसमें नॉट का इजाफा कर दिया जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस क्लासरूम इज नॉट क्लीन. आई डोंट लव हेयर. नाउ इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. दीज आर question sentences. We are asked questions in these sentences. These sentences start from WH word or a helping verb. A question mark is put at the end of the sentence. For example, why are you coming late? Is there anyone in the room? So, in our interrogative sentences, we ask question, and if we add some WH words, we will start our sentence with WH word and then helping verb, then subject, after that verb, and at the end object, and question mark will be put at the end of the sentence. So, imperative sentences, इनको हुक्मिया जुमले भी कहा जाता है. These sentences make a command or request someone to do something. Request करें या हुक्म दें. Give me that book. मुझे वो किताब दो. Please help me. बराए मेहरबानी मेरी मदद कीजिए. Exclamatory sentences. These sentences show your emotions and feelings. These sentences show strong feelings or emotions of joy, sorrow, and wonder. An exclamation mark is used at the end. So, ये sentences आपके जज्बात और एहसासात का इजहार करते हैं, आपके खुशी के, गम के और हैरत के जज्बात. Hurrah! We have won the match! What a beautiful sight it is! Some words like hurrah, alas, bravo, etc. are used in these sentences, but these words have no grammatical meanings. These are used only to show your feelings. Optative sentences. In these sentences, we pray, curse, or wish. May is used in them. ये वो sentences हैं जिनमें दुआ की जाती है या बददुआ दी जाती है. For example, may you live long and happy life. May you go to hell. Now, identify the kinds of the following sentences: exclamatory, assertive, interrogative, negative, imperative. Art is another subject in which I am particularly interested. Here is a simple statement, that's why it is assertive sentence. What a beautiful painting! This is expression of your feelings. That's why it's an exclamatory sentence. Teach him to learn. Imperative. How would I know? Interrogative. She didn't make a false statement. Negative. Now, the punctuation marks. Number 1, capital letters. We use capital letters to start a new sentence. Don't run after works, find thoughts. When we use I as first person, I love my mother very much. For proper nouns, Ali Reza, Pakistan, Lahore, May, Friday, Punjabi, Eid ul-Fitr, Arabian Sea, Ravi, Himalaya, the news, the Holy Quran. Now, full stop or period. Full stop is used at the end of every complete sentence. हर जुमले को मुकम्मल करने के बाद full stop लगाया जाता है, लेकिन it's not necessary to put at the end of every sentence because there is interrogative sentence also. For example, he is an excellent student, full stop. My name is Ali and I'm a doctor, full stop. We put a full stop after abbreviations. ST stands for street, MR stands for Mr. Now, after initials, the first letters of some words like United States, U.S. United Kingdom, UK, W.B. Yeats, William Butler Yeats. At the end of commands, open the door, pick up the eraser from the floor. So, we put full stop at the end of these sentences, abbreviations, initials and commands. Now, it's time to punctuate a paragraph from the chapter, and here are some capital letters, some use of comma and hyphen and full stops, and these punctuation marks are in red color. You can see on the screen. Captain Muhammad Sarwar, comma, Major Tufal Muhammad, comma, Major Aziz Bhatti, comma, Pilot Officer Rashid Manhas, comma, Major Muhammad Akram, comma, Major Shabir Sharif, comma, Sawar Muhammad Hussain, comma, Lance Naik Muhammad Mahfouz, comma, Captain Colonel Sher Khan and Havaldar Lalak Jan. All embraced martyrdom while fighting bravely for their motherland, full stop. All of them were awarded Nishan-e-Haider, comma, the highest military award given to great patriots who lay down their lives for the country, full stop. I hope you have understood the whole exercise and all the grammatical concepts. If still you have any query related to this chapter, you can write in the comments. Thank you so much. We will wind up this lesson with the hadith. Innamal amalu bin niyat. अमाल की कबूलियत का निसार नियतों पर है. Stay blessed. Dear students, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon. Like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.